What's up, guys? Hope everyone's having a good day today and had a good trading day. And here's today's trading recap. So before the trading recap, make sure to join the free community. There's some free education and stuff. So yeah, and this is the trade recap. So today I took longs on NQ, and this is basically why. So I'll start with the higher time frame. So on the higher time frame, we had this fair value gap right here, and overall it looks like decent market structure for the upside. So it looked pretty possible that I was going to hit these highs up here, just due to this big displacement up here and the retracement. So that's pretty much why I was looking for longs on the higher time frame. And let's go more into the lower time frame. So I'll erase all of these lines real quick. Sorry, just to make the chart more clear. Alright, so at 9:30, right out of New York Stock Exchange open, we had a little SMT. There it is, right there. The lower high on ES and lower low on NQ. So, obviously I didn't really care that much about it, but that's a little piece. But also, this is a little power of 3 right here. There's the accumulation, there's the manipulation, then there's the distribution. So, pretty nice. Again, I didn't really care that much, but just a little annotating for you. So, yeah, once we retraced to this fair value gap after this displacement, I knew it was going to hit some types of highs at some point. So once we got there, I'll do a little bit of annotate. All right. 1 minute. All right. So this is where we kind of started our displacement. All right. So let me erase this big stuff for you. Alright, so there's this fair value gap right here, which is in discounted price. Alright, or even the OTE. So after that, we retraced down, and also we were in this 2-minute fair value gap as well, so that's what I also liked. So once we got that displacement, I was like, okay, I'll try and go long to target those highs, especially after the delivery off of 1 hour fair value gap and 5-minute fair value gap. It was a little simple setup, nothing major, but I liked it. It looked high profitability. So once we got right there, I entered around there. My first take profit, I think my first take profit was up here. But once we hit this high right here, I put my stop loss at break even. So we go up, little retracement, a little bit down draw right there. Boom, boom, boom. And that's where I took maybe 1 or 2 contracts. Then I took 2 other contracts around here just because I didn't like that high momentum. Then my last contract was stop loss at break even because I entered with a total of 5 contracts. So we got stopped out at break even. So overall, it was a pretty solid trade. And just a little recap of what it did after. We had this big fair value gap right here. Not big. The 15-minute fair value gap, which is a liquidity for 5 minutes. So we ended up going down. I wanted to catch this entry right here, but I couldn't because it didn't retrace. So we inverse this fair value gap. Boom. Boom. I wanted to catch this fair value gap right here, which it never touched, which sucks. So I didn't enter on that. But what I could have done is it looked very profitable. So I could have entered up here with light contracts, maybe 1 or 2. And it was solid risk reward as well. So like to that high, it's 1.7A. To the London highs, it's 2.6A. So it was decent risk reward. So I could have sized down, wait for a fair value gap retrace, and get a better risk reward. But and again, this is pure hindsight. I thought it was gonna retrace, so that's just something random I thought about. But yeah, so I couldn't get an entry on that because it never filled the fair value gap. So that's pretty much today's trading day. Not gonna lie, I was kind of yapping a bunch today, but Yeah, if you found education in this, make sure to subscribe and join the free community. Hope you guys have a splendid and lovely day. Laters. Sorry, I'm like trying to pause this thing. 1 second, guys. Thank you if you're still watching the video. Alright, there we go.